If you think earthquakes only happen far away, think again. Today's tremors span continents. Here's what you need to know. A 5.4 quake rattled Pakistan, no damage reported. In Mexico's Oaxaca region, a 5.7 earthquake struck, prompting emergency monitoring. Hawaii reviews volcano and tsunami protocols after tremors. And scientists in Colorado detected a massive quake all the way in eastern Russia. Proof of our interconnected world. Surprised? Stay alert. Like and follow for more world news.